Hey everyone, this is Zach from Midwest Railway Preservation Society, and I'm here to tell you that 4070 is in the air. Let's talk about it. When we left off last time, we had just finished removing the V-brace so that our welders could gain access to the area of the crack. But before the major welding work can begin, we had to call in some specialists to square the frame. The process involves lifting the frame and taking measurements in multiple dimensions to ensure that everything is square, level, and plumb. Unfortunately, we're not able to share footage of this process or go into greater detail out of courtesy to our contractors. 'Cause it's a trade secret, don't you know? Once tramming was complete, dial indicators were placed on the main frames showing the relative position of the cylinder casting. The cylinder casting itself is a separate piece from the main frame, but is in constant contact with it. This means that heat can transfer from the main frames to the cylinder casting, causing a potential for differential expansion and undue stress on this casting. As Alco castings are known for being very thin-walled, it's important that we minimize stress on these castings wherever possible. We are therefore monitoring the position of the dial indicators to ensure that no more than a few thousandths of motion relative to the frame is allowed. This means scheduling activities and allowing for cooling down time in between welding sessions. And that covers what's been going on with 4070 for now. If you like what you see, like the video. And if you want to see more, subscribe. If you want to support the project, visit us at midwestrailway.org and become a member or donate directly. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.